Well, our fan clutch came in yesterday. We're gonna get that thing installed. What we're gonna do here is take this fan stroud out so we can get the whole fan and clutch assembly in. I've seen videos of guys doing it with the fan in there, but I don't want to mess up my radiator fins. 4Runner came with this thing. I'm not a fan of these things, but I'll change it out sometime. Alright, we gotta get this serpentine belt off. Got the tensioner here. It's a 13. Turn it counterclockwise. Get this belt out of the way. Get these nuts off here. Take this bar, stick it in there. Back in there behind 2 nuts. Then loosen one of the nuts with a 12 offset. Make sure you get them all loose before you take them off. You don't want to have bare stud there and screw up the threads. Get our magnet in there so we don't drop it down in there. There you go. Got it. Okay, we got everything loose. I want to get some cardboard in there to protect the radiator. Work this thing out now. Alright, let's get this new one out of the box. I can't really tell a whole lot of difference in these 2 dang things. I don't see any signs of this fluid leaking out or anything. Ooh. This bimetallic strip's supposed to have some kind of a, attached to some kind of valve in there. Maybe that valve's stuck. Alright, let's check this thing. Maybe all that crap in there keeps it from opening up enough. I wonder if it's something as simple as that. Let's get this fan on the new fan clutch. Hope it works. These 2 clips at the bottom of the shroud, they just go into these things I'll show you here. They push at the bottom, so there's only 2 bolts really holding this thing together at the top. The shroud slides into that, and there's another one on the other side. There's the one on the passenger side. You got to move the transmission cooling lines. It's right there. One of the biggest pain in the butt about these things, those transmission cooling lines. See these things? It's got hooks on it both ways. This side and that side. So I just stuck a screwdriver down in there and got it. We got 1 nut on there. Let's take the cardboard out. Yeah, the easiest way I found to get those bottom clips in is tilt this forward a little bit, then you can kind of see down in there. The serpentine belt goes in next. Our little chart here shows how this thing goes on. See what happens.